Hey YouTube, this is Stephanie with Exclusive SB Jewelry, and today what I have for you all is a haul from Sally's. So I haven't actually opened the box. I've had this package sitting around for about close to a week, so it's just been sitting up at the house. But I am gonna go ahead and open it right quick so we can see the contents that I have, and I'm hoping that there is a receipt in here because I don't know how much I pay for anything off the top of my head. So I'm gonna open up the box real quick. I apologize for the noise. And let's see. I do have an invoice, so that's exciting. And I picked up quite a bit of things. So, but I do believe I got, the reason why I used Sally's to purchase some hair products is because they offered me 30% off my entire purchase. So I thought it would be a good idea for me to take advantage of it. But again, that was a couple of weeks back when I did it, when I ordered everything. But there are probably about 10 items in here right now. But I'll go through it really quickly as fast as I can. So I picked up some Silk Elements Mega Silk Olive Heat Protection Spray. And let's see if I can tell you how much this was real quick. This was, I got it for, it was $8.69 and it came in $2.49 off. So it was 30% off of that. And the next thing I have is some of this Murray's Edge Control. And let's see, how much was this? Murray's Edge Control wax, 30% off. The regular price was $5.76, so I got $1.65 off of this. So then I picked up some of this As I Am double buttercream. So I'm not sure why they have this rubber band on here. But yeah. But this stuff is really expensive. I really just wanted to get this with 30% off, but then I also wanted to get the free shipping, so I went ahead and purchased more stuff. Because in the store, this is regularly like $25. But it's a really good hair cream, especially if you're trying to just keep moisture and you want to keep your coils or curls intact. So let me see really quick on a piece of paper how much this was. So this was the As I Am Double Buttercream. And it was, well, originally this was $27.49, so I got $8.25 off of it. So that's a good deal. All right. And this Proclaim Natural 7, I use this usually in the summertime, sometimes in the winter, after I shower, but I also like to use it as a hot oil treatment. I've been using this so long, I don't even know how long, but I really do like it. So it's very useful for more than one way in terms of using it. So the price of this was a regular $3.99, so, and I got $2.40 off. This does go a long way. There's another one that's like in a green tinted bottle. I think it's just for olive oil, but I like this one because I like how it smells. It has a little light scent to it. All right, and let's see. I did pick up some more As I Am. Now the only thing I use from this line really is just the double buttercream, and then every once in a while I would pick up the co-wash that they have. I don't usually co-wash my hair quite often, but I do use that particular brand for the co-wash. But I decided to pick this up as well. This is the So Much Moisture Hydrating Lotion, and I figured I would give it a try since it was within the same line. So I wanted to try to see if this would provide me a little bit more moisture other than the double cream, but I mean the double butter cream, but we'll see, or I'll see, and I'll let you all know. And the price for this one was $9.99, and I got $3 off for it. but it's called As I Am So Much Moisture. All right. And I didn't realize I got two of these. So I got two. What else is in here? Some stuff. Now, I'm going to take this out. I got two of these too, I guess, because they left it packaged like this when they pulled it from stock, I guess. This is the... I actually thought I only got one of these detangling moistures. I didn't know I bought two. I usually don't buy two of something that I've never used. But I've never used this before. This is be a brand new product by My Black is Beautiful. So yes, it's the detangling spray. And let me see, how much was it? I don't know if it's on the front page here. Maybe it's on the second page. So... no, I don't see it. Let me see. Let me look one more time, y'all. Tangle. Maybe this is the Tangle Slayer. So $12.99 and $3.90 off. No. I see. No. It was $12.99 and it was $7.80 off. And yeah, I guess I did get two. They charged me for two, so maybe I bought two. Okay. I'm not going to argue with that. And then I have the My Black is Beautiful Hydrating Shampoo. So it says it's golden milk with honey and coconut oil. And I think I also picked up something else from here, because I usually try to get a conditioner when I buy a shampoo for the first time, so they can have the same pH balance. And this one is called My Black is Beautiful Tangle Slayer Conditioning Cream. I really do like this packaging. I really do. It's interesting. So for the shampoo, let's see how much I paid for the shampoo. It was $11.99 and I got $3.60 off of it. And then for the conditioning cream, it was $12.99 and I got $3.90 off of it. But I did buy one more thing within the same line. Dig down here and pull it out. It was this intense recovery treatment. So it has the same thing. It says golden milk with honey and coconut oil and no sulfates and parabens. And I don't know how it smells. I am interested to know. It's a perfume. But yes, so let's see how much I got for this, or how much I spent on this. The recovery cream was $12.99 and I got it $3.90 off of it as well. And the last thing that's in this box is something that I've been wanting to try out. And since they had it in this little packet, I decided to get it. It is the TGIN. I don't know if they call that Tegan or not, or what it exactly stands for. Oh, there it is. It says, thank God it's natural is what it stands for. So this is called the Honey Miracle Hair Mask Intense Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. So it's for you to, it says you can heal and hydrate for dry, damaged, and color treated hair. So I probably, now that I feel it, I probably could have gotten two of these for one application, but I'm going to try to see if I can use just this one for a full head of hair. And if I like it, I'll try to buy it again. So the total that I paid for this was $2.99. So I got 90 cents off of this. All right, so this was my first time actually doing like a full purchase from Sally's in terms of online, because I usually just go to the store because they're just a couple of blocks from here, from where I live. But they did a good job with packaging. I always try to see how companies package their products, especially when it's something like hair products or something with liquid, just to make sure it all comes together all in one without trying to like spilling in the box or anything, or having any type of broken containers. So I didn't have any of that whatsoever. The checkout process was excellent online, and the delivery was quick. So I am excited about using those particular products. I haven't actually used anything other than the As I Am brand and the Murray's. So everything else is brand new. So if I like it, I'll let you all know, and I will give you an honest update on how it kind of worked out, especially with the product from let's see, I can't remember it because I don't use it. The My Black is Beautiful. I will pull up and let you guys know how this turned out. All right, so that's all I have for you. I guess this is the final end of this particular video, and you all have a nice week. Thanks. Bye.